Changing a tire is a skill that every driver should know. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to change a tire. Find a safe location. If you experience a flat tire while driving, find a safe spot away from traffic to park your vehicle. Engage the parking brake and turn on your hazard lights. Gather the necessary tools. Locate your spare tire, jack, and lug wrench. These tools are usually found in the trunk or under the vehicle. Loosen the lug nuts. Use the lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Turn them counterclockwise, but do not remove them just yet. Position the jack. Place the jack in the appropriate lifting point near the flat tire. Refer to your vehicle's manual for the correct location. Ensure the jack is resting on a stable and solid surface. Lift the vehicle. Use the jack to raise the vehicle off the ground. Raise it just enough to remove the flat tire and insert the spare tire. Remove the lug nuts and the flat tire. Completely remove the loosened lug nuts and set them aside. Carefully take off the flat tire from the vehicle and place it aside. Install the spare tire. Align the spare tire with the wheel bolts and gently push it onto the hub. Make sure it is securely in place. Tighten the lug nuts. Begin tightening the lug nuts by hand until they are snug. Then, use the lug wrench to fully tighten them in a star or cross pattern. This ensures even tightening. Lower the vehicle. Carefully lower the vehicle using the jack until the spare tire touches the ground. Remove the jack from underneath the vehicle. Finalize tightening the lug nuts. Use the lug wrench to give the lug nuts a final tightening, ensuring they are secure. Replace the tools and flat tire. Place the flat tire, jack, and lug wrench back in their designated storage area. You can now safely drive with your spare tire. Repair or replace the flat tire. Visit a professional tire shop to assess the condition of your flat tire. They will either repair it if possible or help you choose a suitable replacement. Remember to consult your vehicle's manual for specific instructions and precautions. If you're unsure or uncomfortable with changing a tire, it's always recommended to seek assistance from a professional or roadside assistance service.